Hi everyone, my name is Attila. I just filmed a quick makeup tutorial for this look over here. It's actually very simple, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. So first I start with foundation. I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I prefer this L'Oreal foundation, the 24-hour fresh wear. I just got this, so I'm just using it up. I'm just using the spatula and spreading it. I love this technique. It gives you like the perfect amount without getting cakey or without taking away coverage. And then I just take off whatever's left on my sponge. And then I just press in the foundation. I've been gua shaing my face recently, mainly like my neck for like the double chin kind of area, and I feel like it does make a difference. I've only been using it for a few days, but I have noticed a little bit of a difference. I like to go a little bit darker with my foundation. This one is a little too warm toned for me, but that's okay. I just use my concealer to brighten it up after. This foundation, it does have a really nice finish, but with the L'Oreal one, I don't have to worry about it rubbing off when I bump my face. I don't really use a primer most of the time. I'll use the e.l.f. putty primer sometimes, but I feel like most primers don't really do enough to justify wearing it. Now, next I'm going to use this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in light sand. But I've heard that like serums are better in terms of a primer. I just don't know like what's a good serum to use. So I just put concealer in these areas. I got matched for this foundation at Sephora, but I feel like it's so yellow for my skin tone. I feel like every time I've been matched there, it's always wrong. And then I just blend that out as well. For my under eyes, I let it sit there for a couple minutes so that it's as high coverage as it can be. Next, I'm gonna use this Rimmel Stay Matte powder to set around my eyes and T-zone. I love this powder. I prefer it over a lot of like drugstore and even high-end powders. For my eye makeup, I keep it pretty simple. I'm gonna start with this NYX California Beaming Bronzer. I drag it out a little far just to give a more lifted look. I got this brush with the highlighter I bought from Amazon. It's such a nice brush. It's so soft and it just... I prefer it over a lot of my other eyeshadow brushes. And next I'm going to take a bigger like bronzer brush and go into like the same bronzer. I kind of like to place bronzer where blush goes, just to give a more lifted look again. It's kind of dark, but I feel like blush bronzer also wears off, so it's okay if it's a little heavy-handed. If it's a little dark, you could just like, blend out the edges with the sponge. Contour. I just take the same brush and I just wipe it on my pants, and I'm gonna be using this Too Cool for School bronzer. Everyone uses this, but it's just so nice. It's like the perfect cool tone. And then I like to bring it all the way up to my eyebrow. circle. Next I'm gonna go in with blush. I love this Wet n Wild blush in the shade Pinch Me Pink. I would like to bring it really close underneath my eyes and just like concentrate it over there mainly. And then I'm gonna take my highlighter. I love this highlighter. I bought this from Amazon. Oh, it's super blinding. I feel like it's a really good dupe for the Rare Beauty one. And I really like to build it up on the inner corners. Take it on the tip of my nose, and down my nose bridge. I just like to use a little bit on my cheeks as well. I'm going to be using this Essence Liquid Ink eyelids. I like to keep my eyes open while doing my eyeliner. And then I go really close to my waterline here. And I do my inner corners. Oh my god, I messed up my inner corner. Whatever. I'll just stay on this side so no one can see. I'm also gonna take this glitter. I got this from ColourPop. I think it was called like Set Sail or something. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna use that on my eyelids. I love adding as much glitter as I can to all my makeup, even if it's just like a casual day. Next, I'm gonna be taking this Rimmel eye pencil, just starting from the middle of my eye. I'm just gonna kind of deepen it up over there. I feel like this also makes your, like, it kind of opens up your eyes and makes them look bigger. Next I'm going to be taking this mascara. It's one of the Essence / Princess ones, just the pink one. I think it's the Volume and Curl one. This one's my favorite one out of all of them. It doesn't last super long, but it gives you so much volume. Apply too much to the top just because I'm going to be applying lashes, so I'm saving it mainly for the bottom. Now I'm going to be applying my lashes. I'm going to be using these ones I got from Amazon. I use these little tweezers to apply them. I used to be really bad at applying lashes, but those tweezers are honestly like a lifesaver. So I just applied a thin layer. And I'm just gonna wait 30 seconds for it to dry. My hair, I have so many flyaways and I just don't know how to deal with it. If anyone has any clue, I would greatly appreciate it. I start with the middle and try to get as close as possible. I have super watery eyes, so I need to like work slow. Now I'm gonna be doing my lip. These are my two favorite lip liners. The Marc Jacobs lip liner in Nudist and Milani in 9 Spice. I do have a double lip line. I just put underneath. Because I do like to really overline lips. I want to get lip filler because my top lips kind of stop before my bottom lips, I feel like. So I kind of need to like fill that in so it looks like they end at the same point. I don't know if that makes any sense. And now I'm going to take this Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Stone. This one is almost empty. I use it like every day.